Racing just installed. We have done. Albertini break quickly restart. Rushing about the outside is Lapuria Roja together with Hagdang Bato. Then next on line now is El Libertador with 13 on the first quarter. And going along for the first turn, we have the People's Champ, Hagdang Bato. Now takes command, running by the rail now is Lapuria Roja. El Libertador comes next is Sky Dragon. Don Albertini comes next, then followed by Lord of War. Penetrator comes next, Eslotar, then followed by Glorious Valentine with 24 on the second quarter. We have Hagdang Bato is still in control, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Lapuria Roja, El Libertador moving up on the outside now is Lord of War, Sky Dragon, Don Albertini, Slotar, then comes Penetrator, Glorious Valentine comes next, King Samera, while Sleepy Jim is racing in 11th, and as they swing for home with 24 on the third quarter, as they swing for home, Hagdang Bato now racing away by about 6 lengths over El Libertador. Last 100 meters, Hagdang Bato is ready for the up and coming Ambassador Cuangco Cup. Second is El Libertador, Lapuria Roja. Then comes Lord of War.
The People's Champ, ika nga ni partner Tupe, 9A Hagdang Bato ang siyang unang tumawid sa ating